Hello viewer, I hope you're doing great. So today I have a fun challenge for you. So it is basically two asanas. Let me show you and try this. But before doing this, make sure that you're properly warmed up or stretched your muscles and did some joint rotations nicely. Okay, let's begin the challenge. So in simple terms, it is basically push-up challenge. So it basically has two asanas. One is the plank and the other is chaturanga dandasana. Okay, so this challenge is for the beginners basically, not for anybody or advanced practitioners. So the challenge is 15 push-ups for the beginners. So first things first, we have to do the joint rotations nicely so as to avoid any injuries. So this challenge particularly puts a lot of positive stress on the chest and the abdominal region and the thighs. So let's do this beginners challenge. Check your posture. In the plank you have to be very straight and the palms under the shoulders and you're on your toes. Take a deep breath in. We inhale while coming up and we exhale as we go down. So 15 push-ups. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is a challenge and two bonus, 16 and 17. After this, relax. So after doing this challenge, you can nicely sit in Vajrasana and meditate, or you can go to Shavasana and do a short relaxation. Have a great day.